everyone, my name is Jill Abbey, a project consultant here at HRP Associates. Welcome back to another EH&S how-to video. Today we're going to be going over how to do a touchless thermometer and fever check. A critical component of workplace entry during a pandemic and flu season is fever checking at the door of offices. Many workplaces and organizations use touchless infrared digital thermometers aimed at the forehead. First things first, you are going to want to make sure you have your proper PPE. When taking temperatures, you will need to have a pair of gloves as well as a face mask. At HRP, we use a Bearcom non-contact infrared thermometer. Ours is powered by two AA batteries. To use the thermometer, you want to make sure it is on and ready for use. Ours, you simply pull the trigger, listen for the two beeps, and the display to show a temperature reading. It is recommended to keep disinfectant on hand to clean the thermometer after each use. Make sure everyone entering the building is not showing any signs or symptoms of COVID-19 or the flu. Common symptoms include fever, chills, cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, sore throat, runny or stuffy nose, aches and pains, headache, and possibly abdominal distress. Begin by disinfecting the thermometer. Once the thermometer is disinfected, proceed to aim it approximately 3 to 5 centimeters away from the middle of the forehead. When the thermometer beeps, the temperature will be displayed immediately. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the other videos on our channel.